Okay, friends, so I'm going to the thrift store right now and I'm taking some stuff back there, right there. As you can see, it's fully loaded. And so, like I said, I'm gonna take some stuff. I don't want to keep bringing things into the house. I'm looking to see what I can find. I've been trying to be really picky on the things that I buy, but I am taking some stuff. That's something that if you're gonna go thrifting, and you do it quite often, so if you bring something in, you're taking something out. So that's how I try to control my clutter. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna go drop this off, and then I'm gonna go inside and check it out and see what they have. And if they have something great, and if they don't, that's great too. All right, friends, I'll be right back to show you what I found. All right, so I just dropped off the stuff that was back there, and I went around to go inside the Salvation Army, and it was closed. Yeah, so it says they open at 9, and it's already past 9, but yeah, it wasn't open. So I'll have to try it another day. Maybe that was a sign, a good thing. All right, so I'll be back though to show you. I'm probably gonna go to Desert Industry and see what I find there, and then I'll be back to show you what I find. All right, friends, I'm home now. So I didn't get anything at the Salvation Army because they were closed, and I don't know why. The donation part in the back was open, and it says it opens at 9, and it was, past 9, and it was still closed. So I don't know, but I didn't buy anything obviously at the Salvation Army, but I did go to Desert Industry, and I got a few little things. And if you see the back mess, I'm going through all my stuff in the house. I'm still not done getting rid of stuff, but I went to Desert Industry, and oh my God, they had so many cute things. Somebody had a collection of the Bambi, Disney Bambi. They had some really pretty Disney plates that were Bambi. I almost bought them. I had them in my cart, but I put them back because I said I don't need them. So I left all that behind. But I picked up a couple little things, not too much. So let me share with you guys what I found. So I found these very, oh my God, beautiful candle holders. They're extremely heavy. They're made out of like concrete, and I had asked the manager if he could give me a cheaper price than the $6, because this has, if you can see the crack that comes all the way to like right here, and he said $4, and he was kind of mean actually. And he kind of like basically told me that I don't know why you asked me here if you're gonna go ask again in the front, because most people do that. Well, whatever, guy, I'm not most people. If I ask him to give me a reduction, then I just tell them his name and what he told me. But I guess he was in a bad mood, so I was like, okay, whatever. He gave it to me for $4. But then when I went up to the register, the lady gave this to me actually for $3, and I didn't even ask her. I just told her, that her manager told me that this was $4, and she said, let's just do 3. And then she gave me this one that's $5. She gave me that one for $3, and then she left this one at the same price, $4. She didn't give me, she didn't reduce this one, but she gave me these two at 3, which was pretty nice, really, really nice of her. So I appreciate that, unlike her mean manager that was having a bad day. But aren't these nice? I really love those. So pretty. So the other thing that I found and I picked up is this big, what do you call these, like for lemons, to squeeze lemons? What are they called? Well, anyways, I found one of these. This was $2. Look at how big this guy is. It's huge. To squeeze your lemon or orange juice. And we have a small one, but this big one, we needed something like this, and it's really sturdy, really heavy. So I'm glad I found that guy for $2. And then let's see, I got one of these little spoons here. Well, it's not little, it's a nice size spoon, but this is for when I do my tea parties and I do my scones. I do the cream or the jam. We can use this, probably the cream, because maybe this one right here I could use for the jam right here. See this small one here? Look at how pretty. I gotta clean it, but I like the way this looks with the scalloped edge like that. think that's pretty. And I believe these were, let me see, how much did she charge me for those? 75 cents each. And then I found this here for 75 cents. And it's just some cardboard for banners. I don't know if they're like templates or what, but look at this one. This one looks really pretty. So I picked this up, and normally it says $1.19 here. And so I got it for 75 cents. And then the last thing that I picked up, my God, it's just so cute. I had to have it. Was this cute little teapot. Look at that for $1. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Oh my God, how cute is this? Oh, so cute. But yeah, this is like my favorite find here. I did go to Hobby Lobby and I bought one of these guys here because all their spring collection is 50% off. Let me get this guy out. All right, I got this guy here for $6.50. I like to put my cloches on top of this here, and I got this one for $6.50. And all their spring collection is 50% off. I did pick up one more thing. I'm going to share that with you guys really quickly. Let me go grab it. All right, so this other thing that I picked up was $5. That's normally $10. I'm going to show you guys. Just let me show you guys. Okay, so I got this guy here. I've been trying to just not get this, but this was the last one that they had. So I bought this. I'm just going to put it away because we do have to make that decision really soon with our Dodger. I don't know if I told you guys, but Dodgers have been having problems for a while now, and we took him to the vet about a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago, and they told us what we need to do. Something that we didn't want to hear, but we're just, you know, day by day, taking it day by day and see where we're at with him. And so I'm going to put this away, and then when that day comes, then I can put it outside in his memory. But this is something that I don't want to talk about right now. So anyways, Hobby Lobby actually had some fall stuff out already. Can you believe it? Fall stuff. I didn't record that, but I'm sure if you go to your Hobby Lobby, you'll see that they have some fall stuff out. See, this is how I like to use my little stands like this. This one I had found at the thrift store many years ago, but I just put my cloches right on top. And this one is a different shape. The other one is a round shape. So for $6.50, I picked it up. I thought it was a really nice, and I really do like these to display, well, whatever you want to display underneath your cloche, but I really like the way that looks. So that was everything that I found. Not much. Like I said, you know, I'm being very picky on the stuff that I bring into my home. And so these are like my favorite finds here. I love those. And so yeah, that's just not a lot, like I said. And most of the stuff now that I'm looking for really is more for outside. So I'm trying to cut back, especially like I'm buying teapots and like china and stuff like that. I'm actually going to go through some of my cupboards and get rid of some of that as well. So I think I have an obsession and I need to stop. So I'm trying to limit on the things that I buy. So anyways, I hope you guys go out there and find some good deals. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.